In this video, I'll help you unlock the math skill perimeter. My secret is showing you two keys that break down the critical information on this skill, making you master this skill effortlessly. We're exploring the length workshop. We've already covered this foundational lesson, and now we're tackling perimeter. In this section, you will learn where this skill is used in the real world, what is perimeter, and important teacher tips. Imagine this. The school is putting a fence around the entire playground. The question is, how much fencing will we need? If we underestimate, the fence won't reach all the way around. If we overestimate, we will waste money buying extra. So how do we make sure we get the exact length? This is where perimeter comes in. The word itself gives a clue. Peri means around, like a periscope that helps submarines look around the water. And meter means measure. Put them together, perimeter is the total distance around a two-dimensional shape. Here are some of my teacher tips for this lesson. To solve perimeter questions, you'll need to use your geometry knowledge. Tip 1. Know what your symbols mean. The little dashes on a shape show equal side lengths. One dash matches with one dash, two dashes match with two dashes. Tip 2. Don't forget your shape properties, such as opposite sides of rectangles, squares, and parallelograms are always equal. Tip 3. Always check if all your units of measurement are the same. For example, are they all in meters? In this section, you will learn how to calculate the perimeter and test your knowledge with a game. Alright, let's try this with a real example. Here's the outline of the school playground. If we want to fence the whole thing, what's the perimeter? Firstly, let's add all the distances around the shape. Since this side is a dash, what is the length of this side? Yes, the distance is 15 meters. Now we're ready to go. We add up each side as you move around the shape. Make sure you don't skip any sides. Once you've added them all up, the total comes to 120 meters. Now let's test your knowledge with a quick game. I'll flash 3 shapes on screen, and your challenge is to pick which ones have the same perimeter. Pause the video and test yourself before I reveal the answer. Round 1. Slowly check the calculations. You'll find that option A and option C have the same perimeter, even though they look very different. Round 2. Slow down, add the measurements around the shape to avoid any mistakes. This time, the matching perimeters belong to option B and option C. You now know all the key information on this concept. However, can you solve all exam style questions? Watch this next video to master questions easily.